I am Sheila Rani VS, palliative care nurse, Kidango Grama Panchayat and Kodallur CHSC, Kottayam, Kerala. Achievements as a palliative care nurse. The mental satisfaction of being able to comfort others. Gain real knowledge about life through experience. It was through this work that I learned that there are many people around who are suffering. I was instrumental in making many individuals more compassionate towards palliative patients, and they extended their help in palliative care activities. It helped me to learn the lesson that all human beings are good. I had immense joy when my panchayat was approved for palliative care and thanked all those who cooperated. It gave us happiness to provide nursing care. Otherwise, they would have been in a pathetic condition, since the family would have hesitated to do the caring in the unhygienic condition due to lack of training and mental condition. Palliative activity made me who I am today. Palliative care history. Palliative care was started by Dame Cicely Saunders in England during the 1950s and 60s. The state of Kerala was the first state in India to launch a palliative care program. The scheme has been approved by the government of Kerala since 2008, and 2009. The palliative care scheme has been made mandatory in the local bodies of Kerala. Through this scheme, the care of the terminally ill, cancer of patients, spinal cord injuries, geriatric patients, and the mentally ill who are suffering from chronic diseases coming under a local government will be taken care of, and the families of the patients will be able to take care of the patients. It is a matter of pride that even the World Palliative Organization is conducting a study on the Kerala Model Palliative Care Scheme. I am proud and happy that I was able to be a part of it. Turning point. Home-based care is the care and attention given at home to individuals suffering from chronic illnesses. It was during my training as a palliative care nurse I realized that nursing care is not about seeing patients in the hospital and doing what the doctor prescribes, but it is the attitude towards the patients and the care you provide to them. While studying nursing and working in a hospital, I used to go to nearby homes for dressing, catheters, and injections, but could not talk or inquire about the bedridden patients at home. It was God's will that I submitted my application for the post of a palliative care nurse to Panchayat office, requesting them to appoint me as, and when there is a post created in the health center, and I was lucky to get the chance. Palliative home care. The growth of the palliative care movement in our country is due to the recognition of the society that it is their responsibility to take care of the terminally ill in their area. It is the tireless effort of many like me, a temporary nurse in rural areas, who have been able to make in the people of the areas a sense of responsibility and to give due consideration to the bedridden patients. A palliative nurse is not just a caregiver. The right nurse is when she cares the patients as a mother, sister, friend, and daughter. Home-based care is an important component of palliative care. It is not enough to have only one nurse. It is a teamwork. The Panchayat and the health department together visit the houses from hard to places and take care of the sick, and with the full support of the family, enable them to achieve a happy death without hurting body and mind. When I first went to the Panchayat, I was told that there would be one or two patients in each ward and that it would be sufficient to look at the pressure and report from time to time. Some of the sights during the training never left my mind. I was determined to try to prevent this from happening ever in my panchayat. But when it started in the panchayat, the work was difficult. Vehicle facility was essential, for which an auto was hired for a minimum fee. The auto will be arrive at 9 a.m. daily. I traveled to the community health center, which is far away from the panchayat office, and bring the essentials. With the help of the local people, representative, ASHA activists and health workers, the houses with sick people in each ward of the panchayat is found and registered. Many of them were living in terrible conditions. The condition of many were very pitiable. I experienced the first-hand pitiful picture of those who were bedridden due to old age and other diseases. On my first glance, I was seeing myself in their position. My legs were paralyzed, my arms were weak, and I could not speak at all. I could see in them my face searching for help, unable to say anything and unable to do the basic myself. I even thought that God was testing me. Was the suffering I faced so far is not disasters but teaching to love and care for fellow human beings like this. Reached out to the patients and cared them with the dressing, catheter and kits obtained from the hospital. Trained the people at home free of cost to look after the patients. Every day, the panchayat people's representative and the health workers accompanied me to the patient's house and showed them the pitiful condition. We have seen relatives treat those who defecate with disgust, hatred, and some with affection. Many needed food, clothing, and medicine. Every year, the panchayat is increasing the budget for home care expenses. So, is the job of the nurse. Patients were provided with the necessary walkers, cots, bike rest, wheelchairs, airbeds, and even oxygen cylinders from the hospital, enabling them to receive the love and care of their families at home, thereby equipping them for a peaceful death. Awareness and community participation. The class on palliative care was conducted in the Grama Sabhas held in the wards on the Panchayat. Requested parents and siblings to support us and assured them that we are with them as a sister, daughter and a mother. Meetings were called at clubs and libraries in the locality to talk about the plight of the community and included them in the home care. Also made awareness classes among school children and nursing students and talked about the glory and blessings that get from palliative care services. In Kidangur, all people, irrespective of political, caste, creed or class, supported the palliative care project. Clubs started home care teams. Voluntary organizations began to work as charities, churches, temples, hospitals, Kudumbasri, schools, colleges. Individuals and Kochirani Memorials Trust in the locality informed their support and came forward to assist the Panchayat Palliative Care Unit. The number of patients increased. The palliative nurse became a member of each family and a special bond was built with the patients. With the result, they openly discussed their difficulties and problems with gave immense joy and increased sense of responsibility. PKV Vanitha Library Kidangur was in the forefront in supporting and assisting palliative care services in the locality. From the beginning, they used to ask as to how to help the poor, visited the home of those in need and provided financial assistance and food kits during the Onam, Vishu and Christmas days. Another feature not seen in other panchayat is that the common people can deposit money in the joint account of the panchayat president and the medical officer to keep the home care going and provide financial assistance to the patients in case of emergencies. I do not know whom to thank for all this. I pray to God to give me strength to my mind and body to carry on the activities extensively and to do good to the poor and needy, and wish all the well wishers in the locality will come forward. My experience. It was a few experiences that made my mind as a palliative nurse. Home care is forced on treating the sick at home. There are many households suffering from various diseases. The main ones were the bedridden and the physically weak due to old age. Those who had a comfortable life with their dear and near ones for a long time got bedridden due to spinal cord injury during accidents. The whole living conditions of themselves and their family changed. While witnessing their mental state and grief of their family, I realized that this job was divine mission. There are lots of mind-blowing experiences. Often I feel their condition as my own. It is His mission to be able to share in their last moments of joy and laughter to endure the lives of death and life that will never be regained. I feel that it is a blessing. Sometime in the life, I and others like me and to experience moments without anyone's help. I believe that through these sufferings, God has given us the strength to do all this work. Palliative nurses care for their patients who are unable to do the basics on their own. Regardless of race, religion or age, they provide care where it is needed. When we do all this, it is not only their love and prayers that we get but becomes angels who do the work of God. I would like to thank God for assigning me to such a job and to this community and challenges who have enabled me and to the family who stood behind me. At the same time, I pray for all the good people, those who have come forward to do palliative care knowing its glory. Thank you.